Hello guys, hello. Today is Saturday. Ito yung bread natin guys for tomorrow. Ayan. Kung sino mag order guys, PM lang guys. Everlasting natin yung papaya natin guys. Spanish bread. Yan guys. Malapit na matapos. Malapit na matapos guys yung pagluto natin. So dito pa yung last guys. Ganda. Spanish bread ensaymada.